In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and update your Microsoft account details. For those of you looking to change or add an alternate email to your Microsoft account, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get everything set up smoothly. To begin, open your browser and head over to the Microsoft Teams homepage. This is your starting point before navigating to more personal settings. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. It's usually represented by either your picture or initials. Clicking on it will open up a small menu. Within this menu, you have several options, but to move forward, you'll want to click on the option that says My Microsoft Account. This will take you to a dedicated page for your account details and preferences. Upon entering your account page, look for the Your Info section. This is your hub for all personal account settings. A quick click here will show you all editable information related to your account. Scroll down this page and you'll come across an option labeled Edit Account Info. Clicking on this will allow you to access further details that you can modify. Now, you're getting closer to adjusting your email settings. In the Edit Account Info section, look for the area where you can add new information. You'll see an option that says Add Email. Clicking this will bring up a text box where you can input the new email address that you wish to associate with your account. After entering the desired email, it's time to solidify these changes. Right below the input box, there's a button labeled Add Alias. Clicking this will register that email with your account. But we're not done just yet. There is one more step to make this new email your primary contact. Following the addition of your email, you'll see the option to Make Primary appear next to the new alias. By clicking on Make Primary, you're essentially setting this email address as your main contact for all future correspondences related to your Microsoft account. A confirmation prompt will pop up, asking you to verify this change. Simply click Yes to confirm. And voila! Just like that, you've successfully updated your Microsoft account. You've not only added a new email address, but also set it as the primary point of contact. This makes sure that your account information is always up to date and accessible. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy for you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe for more helpful content.